Right, welcome. I'm Mr. Simons. In this lesson, we'll be simplifying exponential equations where the unknowns are bases. Right, so your problems look in that format there: 5x squared equal 125. Right. So if we look at the same problem that I just showed you, first and foremost, it would say solve for x, right? So to solve for x, we always try to ensure x is on its own. So to get this coefficient of x to be 1, we divide by whatever is attached to x squared. So that reads 5x squared. So I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides. So 5x squared divided by 5 equal 125 divided by 5. That gives me x squared. 125 divided by 5 would then give me 25. Right? To get the exponent of x as 1, there I'm going to say square root. So square root of x squared, and remember, very important, if we find square root of the value there, we must put plus or minus. So plus minus square root 25, and we catch learners out to that. So x can be positive or negative 5. So there it simply means 5 squared, 25 times 5 would give me 125. But negative 5 squared would also give me 25 times 5, which equal 125. So be very careful. I think there's about 3 or 4 places we use square root in grade 12 and learners forget plus and minus signs. So they end up losing 2 marks. Times 3 to 4 problems, 8 marks lost. Right? Next problem. Right, so problem number 2. Now we've given you 2x to the quarter equal 10. So there's a rational exponent, meaning exponent in fraction form. Again, we have to solve for x, so I'm going to divide by 2 both sides. So 2 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 gives me x a quarter equal 5, so 1 mark for that process. And now to get a quarter to read 1, we're going to raise each side of the power to the reciprocal power of the unknown. So 1 over 4, 4 over 1. Multiply, 1 and 1 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel, leaves me x to the power 1. That's simply 5 to the power 4, which on your calculator would then give you 625. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 equals 625. Right? Third problem. Alright, so yeah, for the third problem, exponential equations. Again, we're first going to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2, so 2 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, which gives me 4. 1 mark for writing that as 4. Right? So from there, 2 over 3, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3 over 2. We simply invert that. 3 and 3 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel to give me 1. 4 I can express as 2 to the power 2. So generally when we do this, that exponent and the denominator there would cancel, so 2 divided by 2 cancel, and I'm left with 2 cubed, which then equals 8. So this is just basic problem solving exponential equations. I hope you follow, hope you enjoy. Nothing but the best. Continue practicing. Practice makes perfect.